It's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Versatility, safety, connectivity, beauty. To a T, this is the Pacifica. The 3.6-liter V6 engine is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission for a fuel-efficient and strong drive. Quickly pack everyone and everything in with the ease of dual sliding side doors and the many advantages of second and third row stow-and-go seats and driver's seat stow-in assist. The Smart Brake, Hill Start Assist, Park View Rear Backup Camera, and Latch-Ready Child Seat Anchor System helps keep everyone safe. Stay connected with a touchscreen display, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, and the USB Media Hub.
The premium sound system gives you a rich listening experience. The blind spot indicator helps you maneuver through traffic. Enjoy the hands-off ease of rear door operation with the power liftgate.
It's been carefully crafted to help you achieve more than ever before. Take this Pacifica home today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.